Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make a navigation menu in Elementor for free like this. You can make this easily by watching this video. So, I am Asad from WTeach and I will show you how to do that without costing any money. So, keep watching. To make a navigation menu, there are 3 steps. The first one is installing a plugin named Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So, to do that, just go to the WordPress admin by typing the domain name /login. Put the username and password, then hit the login button. And then just go to plugins and add new. And here, search for Essential Add-ons for Elementor. This is the plugin which helps us to add nav menu in Elementor, because by default navigation menu is paid version of Elementor. We are not costing any money, so just go ahead and activate this plugin. Just click on install now. Once it is installed, then just click on activate. Once it is activated, then just follow the second step of this video. The second step is creating a navigation menu with Elementor. To do that, just create a page with Elementor. Just go to page and add new. Give a title of this page. Now click on publish to save the page. Then just click edit with Elementor. Now to remove this header, just click on gear icon and select the page layout as Elementor canvas. Here it is, the header has gone. Now we need 3 columns. Left is for the logo, middle is for the nav menu, and the right one is for the active button. So I click on the plus icon to add 3 columns and select this one. Now I'm going to search for image. Once I found that, then just drag it and drop it here. Then select on image. And click this icon and search for navigation menu. Once I found that, then just drag and drop it here. Now we need a button like this. So I click on this and search for a button. Then just drag it and drop it here. So I set the text of button here. You can set a link here. Now size the button as medium. Once all is done, then just resize the column by dragging. Now I want the background color of this whole section, so I click on the section and go to style, and background type should be classic, and set a background. Now I don't want this type of navigation background color, so I click on the pen icon and go to style, and background color should be transparent. So I click on this and set it transparent 0. Okay. Now I want the navigation menu as middle, so I click on the pen icon, then go to style and then top level item. The alignment should be center. Okay. Now if I want to change the background color of this button, so just click on the pen icon and go to style and change the background color as you want. So now when I hover over of the menu, then a background color appears here. So if I want to change the color, just click on the pen icon, under the style, open the top level item and scroll down, click on hover, set the text color and background color as you want. Now if I hover over that, then you can see the result. Now if you click on this icon, then you can see the navigation menu like this. Once you are done, then never forget to click the update button. Okay, now it looks good for the desktop version, but if your visitors are a tab or mobile users, then how it will look on their device. First, we want to see how it looks on the tablet version. So I switch to tablet by clicking here. It looks ugly, so I just want to show the image and hamburger icon. So I need three different menus. One is for the desktop version, which is already done, and one is for tablet version, which is not visible to the desktop and mobile version, and last one is for mobile version, which is not visible to the desktop and tablet. So I am going to duplicate the section 2 times. So I right click on the section and click on duplicate. The first one is for desktop, so it should not visible on other device. So I turned off the visible by clicking here. You click on advanced and go to responsive and hide on tablet portrait and hide on mobile portrait. The same way for the other section, just follow me. Now click on update to save the changes. Now if you click on the icon, then you can see that. So now I don't want this button in tablet version, so I delete this by right clicking on the column icon. Now set the first column as 100%. Just click on the column icon and set the column width as 100%. Resize the image as small, so click on the pen icon and go to style and set the width. Same way for the second column, just click on the column icon and set the column width as 100%. Position the hamburger option as mobile, so I click on the pen icon and hamburger option, and hamburger alignment should be centered. Now if I click the hamburger, then you can see the result. Now just switch to mobile version and follow the same process. The image size should be small, so I click on the pen icon and go to style and make the width as small. Just click on the update button. Now if I want to change the hamburger options background color, just click on the pen icon and go to style, then open the hamburger menu. Once you are done, then click on update to save the changes. Now the final step is adding these navigation menus to a page. So just save this page as a template, give a name, and click on the save. Now just open a page where you want to add this menu. So I go to page. Suppose I want to add that menu on this page, so I click on edit and click on edit with Elementor. Save the page layout as Elementor canvas by clicking the gear icon. Now just import the templates which you saved before. So I click on plus icon and click on the file icon and go to my templates and insert the template. Click on apply and here you are. So in the desktop version it looks like this, and in the tablet version it looks like this, and in the mobile version it looks like this. So to save the changes, just click on update and click on the I button to see how it looks. So this is how you can make a navigation menu with Elementor for free. Hope you like this video. If you are new here, then please subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials like this. Thanks for being with us.